I really wanted to do street photography. And I knew I was going to Chicago this summer, so I searched up 10 best street photography places in Chicago. Well, I found this photo. I was like, hey, I'm going to Chicago, may as well take that photo. So I took that photo. Then I found this photo. I was like, hey, may as well take that photo. So here's that photo. Found the parking garage. About to go up.
Honey, check it out, you got me mesmerized. With your black hair and your fat ass styles. Street poetry is my everyday. But yo, I gotta stop when you drop my weight. If I was working at the club, you would not pay. Hey yo, my man Fife Diggy, he got something to say.
I like him brown, yellow, Puerto Rican, or Haitian. Name is Fife Dog from the Zulu Nation. Told you in the jam that we could get down. Now let's knock the boots like the group H-Town. You got DVD all on your bedroom wall.
Well, I got my bucket list shot, taking out of a 9-story parking garage and taking a photo. Got it, feel kind of good about myself.
Yo, I took you out, but sex was on my mind for the whole damn route.
So I'm crashing here tonight.
Dude, Sam, you did it, dude.
You can't tell me that I'm cool.
Why are you parked behind the car we're driving?
Wrong. No, you're right over like a whole.
But I'm not that cool, that cool. I just
To piss off the liberals that I love my country.
You love your country, Zach?
I love my country. Where's my Trump hat?
Do you
Move.
I'm moving.
What you think?
I think that one.
Oh, I work here, so we're gonna,
I'll wear it.
okay, please. Wear it. Because you don't work here, so doesn't matter. They already know it. America! Yeah! Ah! Why were you recording me? That's child porn. Yeah, we got the flag. Dax, you weren't here. Oh, thanks, August.
Yeah. You doing me wrong. Can't we get along? Been stuck in my bed for too long. Anxiety making me fall. I crash on the wall. They tell me I'm doing it wrong. Patiently waiting for y'all. I'm trying to ball. All of my fingers are crossed. I pray that you cry to my songs. I do it for y'all. Why is she cutting me off? Yeah. Why is she cutting me off?
Am I that person with the guitar?
It doesn't focus that quick.
I'm sorry. The two most important things in my life, nugs and milk. Hey, why did you put it in the ketchup? Sarah, you love ketchup. It's not like you weren't gonna put it in ketchup. Sarah, do we have any good?
Here, put the bottle in your mouth.
Oh, good.